Welcome back to Data Engineering with Avaneeth. In our previous video, we started exploring joins in BigQuery. We introduced the concept of joins and explained the inner join using a sample query. If you haven't watched that one yet, I recommend checking it out first, because today we're going to build on the same example to understand two more important types of joins: the left join and the right join. Let's quickly recall our sample tables. We have a customers table on the left and an orders table on the right. The customers table has details like customer ID and name, while the orders table contains order ID, customer ID, order date and order amount. In our previous video, the orders table didn't have an order amount column. For this particular example, we've introduced that column to make the join results more meaningful and easier to follow. The column we use to connect both tables is the customer ID. In the previous video, when we did an inner join, we only got customers who had placed at least one order. Any customer without an order was excluded, and any order without a valid customer was also excluded. But what if we want to see customers who haven't placed any orders yet? Or orders that are not linked to a customer? That's exactly where left join and right join come in. First, let's talk about the left join. A left join returns all the rows from the left table, in our case, the customers table, and then brings in matching rows from the right table, which is the orders table. If a customer does not have any matching order, the order details will simply show as null. For example, if we have a customer named John who hasn't placed any order, with a left join John will still appear in the results, but the order columns for him will be empty. This is useful when we want a complete list of all customers, regardless of whether they've made a purchase or not. The query in BigQuery looks like this. Select C. Customer ID, C. Customer name, O. Order ID, O. Order amount. From customers as C, left join orders as O. On C, customer ID equals O, customer ID. This ensures that every customer shows up in our results, and only the order details are null if there's no match. Now let's move on to the right join. This is just the opposite of the left join. A right join returns all the rows from the right table, in our case, the orders table, and then matches them with rows from the left table, which is the customers table. If there's an order that doesn't have a matching customer record, the customer details will show as null. Imagine we have an order in the system that was placed without a valid customer ID. With a right join, that order still appears in the results, but the customer fields will be empty. The query looks like this. Select C. Customer ID, C. Customer name, O. Order ID, O. Order amount. From customers as C, right join orders as O. On C, customer ID equals O. Customer ID. So, while left join focuses on keeping all the rows from customers, right join focuses on keeping all the rows from orders. To summarize, left join returns all rows from the left table and matches from the right. Right join returns all rows from the right table and matches from the left. Both joins will fill in missing values with nulls where a match does not exist. This gives us flexibility depending on whether we want to focus on all customers or all orders in our query. I hope this explanation helped you understand left joins and right joins in BigQuery. In the next video, we'll continue our journey through SQL joins with more practical examples. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Data Engineering with Avaneeth for more clear and practical tutorials on BigQuery and data engineering. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.